found, hold on, let me wipe off my camera. Was gonna look for a place to meditate, and I came to this. I think this is a park. I'm not sure, but I think it is a park. So I'm gonna come and meditate here. But I found a bunch of these hanging pots, and that's how I hang my plants. So see how the universe works? Get you out of the house, and you find some stuff. And then I found, you know how we can grow 4 marijuana plants? Well, I found 4 of these, and these are perfect size to start the plants in. So I found 4 of those. Look at that. God works with you. When you take charge and you take charge of your life, God works with you. So, all right. All right. And I've been talking to my angels because I want my relationship harmony. I want to be happy. I want to be joyful. I don't want to wake up angry. I want to wake up happy. I don't want to have to decide to wake up happy. I want to just naturally wake up happy. But I don't know if I want to do it here, meditate here. Maybe we'll do a little meditating. Okay, let's just do it. Okay, I'm sipping my coffee. Let's see how I feel. All right, let's do this. So I woke up with a really sore back this morning, and it's probably because I was bent over yesterday making my craft that I made. But so should we walk through the big, let's just say High Hawkins path or something. What's it say? There you go. You can see it. 66. There's a number. 66. Okay, let's walk through it. You guys are gonna walk through it with me. Here we go. All right, we've gone through the portal of meditating, and so I'm gonna set up my camera on that portal. Okay, here we go. Yes, it went away. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna take my socks off too. I'll take my socks off barefoot on the grass today. My back is killing me. The sun is that way, so I'm facing the sun. Stretch my right arm. Oh, that hurts. All right. Stretch my left arm and shoulder. Align my neck. Pull back. And putting my feet together. And then I'm pulling down so it stretches this part right here. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 seconds. That's all I'm gonna do. Stretch my back, put my arms back. Turn, twist. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring yourself up. I'm holding on to my feet, my heels. Really, my back and my shoulders is what I really want to focus on today. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Let's go do a reading. We're not gonna do a reading. We're just gonna talk about energy and how it affects us, negative and positive ways. And hope you guys have enjoyed this 9 minutes, 10 minutes with me. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna head home now and get on the internet. Come join you guys there on my other channel, Cast Love 111 Spiritual Radiance. So come join me there. This is my behind the scenes of what I do. Sometimes I share. All right. Thanks for being with me and watching and subscribing and helping me by supporting me by watching and subscribing and motivating me. And I hope I will motivate you. And even when you don't feel like it. I woke up this morning and I decided I was going to wake up properly this morning. I was going to lay in bed for a bit and think, right? And then I kept falling asleep. And then I woke up really sore. So, and I woke up really instantly, like I had no thoughts, but I was instantly, my energy was aggressive, angry, and stuff. And I had to like remind myself, like, what is going on? So I remember when it used to happen all the time, but now I'm realizing those are like, um, answers to my prayers and guidance when you're feeling a certain way. Because like if you've been procrastinating and self-doubting yourself, and then sometimes things come up and just push you into it. Anyways, thanks universe, God, for this space here. Thanks for allowing me to come and collect myself. So yeah, I'm gonna go home now. And yeah, there's the sun. It's kind of dull today. I think it's gonna rain. There's the sun. It is only like 11 or so. 2 o'clock. I have the reading schedule because I didn't really know what I was gonna be doing until then, because I knew I was gonna get myself prepared before I did a reading today because I was really sore and I had to get outside. So here I am. Nice big park. I don't know what behind the other fence is. There's like water spot. There's like a spot with water. Maybe that's a spot we can go to. I'll find out what it is. All right. Thank you for hanging out. Maybe I'll go live later on this channel. Just chat with you guys. I don't know. Depends. All right. Depends on the comments and if you guys want me to come and chat with you guys live. All right, guys. God bless you. All right. Bye.